everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing this super colourful double cut crease look that is on my eyes right now. I love it. We are using the H&B Cosmetics Dare to Be Different palette. This is defo inspired by Instagram looks that I've seen. If I can find the person that inspired me to do this look then I will link him down below, but I am obsessed with this look. It is super colourful and it's actually not that hard to do, honestly. I'm not a makeup pro, I have no qualifications, I just mess around with colour on my eye and I can do it. So you and me together, we got this. But this palette is what we're going to be using and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I've primed my lid with the Pete Louise base as always. Sorry if the lighting goes a bit weird, it's really sunny outside and it's really hot. But it keeps like going in and out of sun, so we'll see. Going into the Dare to Create palette and going into the shade Zodiac, this purple up here. Just going to pack that on the outer corner. And then sort of blend the edges of the same brush just as we go. I'm taking a buffing brush and just buff those edges as well. And back in with the purple just to build that colour back up again. And then taking a little brush and just using that to buff out the edges as well, just to get as much of a blend as possible. Okay, so I'm now going to go in with the pink, and on the pink I'm just going to go in with a this little bullet brush in the pink shade called Babe, this bright one here, and do that in the inner part of the eyelid. And then buff out the edges of the pink as well. So now we're going to do the double cut crease that I've done on this eye. So starting with the Pete Louise base and then doing like normal cut crease like location. And then we do the second one slightly lower. Just taking a little teeny tiny brush. Okay, so now that that is carved out, I'm going to go in with the blue colour I See You and Reef from the palette. I'm going to start with Reef on, no, I See You on the inner part of it. Sorry that light was on. That's probably ruined the entirety of the video for ringing throughout it, but now I'm going to go into the shade Reef. Lovely, this is what it's looking like so far. Sorry the lighting's going weird. We're now going to do the second cut crease, much lower down now. Hopefully you can basically get the gist. Now just taking a little bullet brush and going to the purple shade Zodiac that we used at the start and just blend in that edge of both of those cut creases. I'm now going to fill in that cut crease with the shade Welcome, which is this beautiful peachy colour. Just pat that on. Lovely, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm now going to pop off camera, do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Okay, I'm back and it's time to do the lower lash line. So I'm going to take the dark purple shade Zodiac and run that along the outside of the lower lash line. And then going into the shade Reef, which was the bright turquoisey colour, and bringing that on the inner corner. And yeah, that is the lower lash line. I'm now going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face and I will be back with the finished look. I'm back and I've just finished off this look with some mascara and some lip balm because there's a lot going on in my eyes and I didn't want to have too much going on overall on the facial situation. So this is the final look, this super colourful double cut crease smoky eye thing. sets on my eyes that you've seen me do. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you don't already, then you need this in your life, because I'm not a makeup artist and this looks pretty good. Like, it's not bad. Thanks for this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you've liked and subscribed. My name's Sophie, and have a lovely day. I'm in a weird mood.